Welcome back. Well, certainly another warm one today. Temperatures 15 to 20 degrees above normal. So let's get over to the weather wall. That's 70 degrees, by the way, a record low, tying with the last time we had 70 on this morning on this date was in the year 1900, 125 years ago. And we missed the record high by 1 degree, which was 85 set back in 1915. Look, 70 the low. That should be our normal high. 49 should be the normal low. But looky here, we got a little rain in the bucket officially out at the Lafayette Airport, nearly 1/10 of an inch of rain. I had less than that at my house. Not much rain out there, kind of just settling the dust a little bit, but we do have some better rain chances down the line. Well, today the Climate Prediction Center came out with their new update for what it looks like going into December, and there's cold air lurking, and it's going to be impacting mainly north of our region. Notice the Gulf Coast, the Southwest stay above normal. That doesn't mean we don't have cold weather moving in, but it won't last long. So again, if it averages out throughout the month, we're looking at warmer than normal for December and near normal for rainfall. Hey, we'll take that because it's better than what we've seen over the last couple of months. So maybe a couple of inches of rain, and may see that toward the latter part of Thanksgiving weekend and the week that follows Thanksgiving into that first week of December. But that's way out there, a long ways away. Big picture, we have weak low pressure off to the north, weak frontal trough trailing to the south and east, and that's producing some showers and storms from southeast Texas, some healthy ones across southeast Texas, western Louisiana, Beauregard Parish, northwestern Beauregard, seeing some heavy-duty storms, already clearing the Fort Polk area with some showers and more shower activity just north and west of the Alexandria area up toward Dry Prong. This activity, though, expected to weaken as it pushes toward Acadiana through the evening hours, but we'll keep an eye on the activity. Models not handling current activity well, and there could be a few spotty showers anytime during the day tomorrow. Per the graph model here, temperatures still warm. We get into the lower 80s, but after that front pushes on through, we head for the 50s tomorrow night into Sunday morning, and we'll top out closer to the mid 70s for Sunday afternoon. So that is the good news. Moving into next week, here comes that frontal trough we've been talking about. Our best rain chances coming in Monday night into Tuesday. Maybe a low end severe weather threat here, but looks like the dynamics weaken as they push through Acadiana. We'll continue to watch it, going 60% from Monday night into Tuesday. Then cooler air moves in for Wednesday and Thanksgiving, but not as cold as we were indicating just a couple of days ago. It's going to be cool. We start out Thanksgiving somewhere in the mid 40s, maybe the lower to mid 40s. This is just one model run. Top out somewhere in the 60s for our Thursday afternoon. Black Friday looking good. Temperatures holding in the 60s, but 40s in the morning. And then as we get into the following weekend, here comes some big Arctic air. There's going to be some energy, so there's going to be a winter storm. This looks like blizzard conditions farther to the north, and we'll see if some of this cold air eventually reaches us, but that's not going to be until the first week of December. And right now, if anything, it just looks like a wet pattern Sunday and beyond, but that's beyond the 10-day forecast. So near term, we're going to have some fog move in during the course of the nighttime hours, setting in a little bit earlier tonight, perhaps, depending if there's showers in the area to help mix things up. That fog sticks around in spots, mainly I-10 on southward, and then will clear out quickly as we head into the day tomorrow. Temperature-wise, upper 60s to near 70, as mild as it gets this time of year. Back into the lower 80s for tomorrow afternoon. Cooling off as we head into tomorrow night. We'll finally see 50s across the board. And then as we head into Sunday afternoon, mid 70s looks to be the norm. So overnight tonight, another mild night, an isolated shower possible. Some fog, especially after midnight tomorrow. 81, the projected high, with mostly cloudy skies and a passing shower or two. But your rain chance not too terribly high at 30%, and that's we've been generous on the rain chances of late. Above normal temperatures into early next week, then cooling down, but not cold quite yet for Thanksgiving. We'll take it anyway, and hopefully some decent rains for the 9 and 10-day forecasts. That's it for weather for now. We'll have more coming up later in the show.